Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to cut 3 circles of 3.5 centimeter. Now punch all of them together and open it and paste it using double-sided tape. Now make more such flowers and paste all of them on this circle and look, it's ready. Here we are going to take different color of craft paper. First fold this pink color of paper, make multiple folds and make the petal like this. Paste it using glue. After this we are going to cut it. Now you have to make 5 such petals of 3 different shade and paste all of them like this one over another and look, your flower is ready. Take this pink color of craft paper, fold it, make a triangular shape. Now make multiple cut on the top of it. After this we are going to paste alternate strips together. Fold it, flip it and start pasting all the strips like this and look, it's ready. Now we are going to make 6 such shapes and paste all of them at the center one after another and look, it's ready. Fold this green color of craft paper like this. Now start folding it like we're doing here from all its sides and make a triangular shape. Now we are going to make multiple cut from the sides as well. After this, paste and fold all the corners like we're doing here and look, your Christmas tree is ready. Put a star at the top. Here we are going to take this yellow color of paper and cut a square. Now fold it from all its sides. Here we are going to make a crease. Now fold it like this and tuck the paper like we are doing here. Again fold it from its corners and start tugging it inside like we are doing here. After this we are going to make 30 such pieces. Now you have to tuck all of them one inside another like this and make a circle like we are doing here. Tuck it tightly like this. Now do the same from all its corners. Put a bulb of fairy light and look, it's done. So we are going to make multiple fold on this red color of paper. After this, make a beautiful design on the top of it using a pen or a marker. Now cut it, again flip it, fold it and draw the same design on other side as well. Cut it from the side as well. Now make 2 such pieces, combine them together and it's ready. Here we are going to fold this red and white color of paper. Now make multiple crease like this. Again start folding it from its corner and pull the paper downward like this. Here we are going to make the Santa Claus hat like this and look, it's ready. Now flip it again. Here we are going to make folds from its sides like we are doing here. And you have to tuck it inside like this and fold it from top portion as well and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.